Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and I just wanted to talk about one thing here. It's browser updates. So we just talked about Chrome 84 that I talked about the new features and so on, and there are 38 security flaws in Chrome that were fixed by moving to version 84. And I want to stress out here that it is extremely important for everybody to have the latest versions of the browsers. As much as I talk about how everybody should stop using Windows 7 without the cumulative updates for security, same goes for a browser. Browsers have updates, and these updates not only fix bugs and sometimes add features, but they do update and fix a lot of security holes. So Firefox, Edge, Chrome, Brave, Opera, whatever browser you're using, it is not safe to stay at a older browser because of all the security flaws. So it's very important to make sure that your browser is updated. When you're not sure about it, go to the website where you download the browser and just download the browser from there again. The version will simply replace the one you had and will update its version at the same time. But for the most part, most of the browsers actually have a tab or place that you go for an update. So I was showing this morning the one for Chrome. So if you go into the upper right corner and you go into help and then you go about Chrome, this will actually look for updates and update the browser. Same for Firefox, for example. You go to the menu on the upper right corner and you go down to help and of course to about Firefox. Once again, if it's not up to date, it's going to update. It's extremely important to make sure that your browsers are updated all the time. If you're using Edge updates from time to time. Stable version of Edge, same thing. You have to go to the menu and about Edge. So you go into the upper right corner and the menu and you go down to help and feedback, and here you go to about Microsoft Edge. Once again, there's an update. It's going to update if there is one available. And a lot of people don't really care about the features, but here I'm really stressing out that even if you don't care about new features, for security purposes, we talk about the number one thing. We still have too many people thinking that the number one thing you need on a computer is an antivirus, which is absolutely false. The number one thing you need on a computer is that all the software you use, including the operating system, the browsers, and so on, is up to date to the latest version for security reasons. That will protect you a million times more than having an antivirus, actually. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.